an example. Let's go back to the packaging example. And I will tell you that the students in that IE361 project went out and collected some data. They measured some cartons and they measured some units of product. And what they found was that data told them that the mean for the inside of the inside dimension of the carton was around 9.556 inches, and that the mean for each unit of the size of each unit of product was about 2.577 inches. The standard deviation for Y was about 0.053 inches, and the standard deviation for X was about 0.133 inches. Oops, sorry, I bombed that. That's not right. This was about 0.061 inches. Well, okay, so what do we know then? We know that the mean value, well, the function we're dealing with is that the head space is Y minus X1 minus X2 minus X3 minus X4. And that tells us, using the stat 231 result, that mean for U is mean for Y minus mean for X1 minus mean for X2 minus mean for X3 minus mean for X4, and that is 9.556 minus 4 times 2.577, and that is on the order of minus 0.752 inches. That is, there's a negative average head space. Of course you can't get those units of product into the box. On average, you're 3/4 of an inch short, is what this says. And beyond that, the standard deviation, or the variance for this head space, now it'll be a 1 squared times 0.053 squared, and then there will be 4 terms that are minus 1 squared times 0.061 squared. So let's just write that this way: 4 times minus 1 squared times 0.061. This is then 0.0177. That's in units of inches squared. And so standard deviation for the head space is the square root of that, and that's 0.133 inches. So the mean is minus 3/4 of an inch. Standard deviation is 1.33. You're going to have, so the picture is something like this. If there's 0 head space, here's 0.75 inches. Oops, better get that on the right side. So there's 0, here's minus 0.75 inches. And you've got a distribution here with a standard deviation of 0.133. Essentially all attempts to put those 4 units of product into the carton are going to result in a negative head space, and so something's got to give here. For one thing, this distribution needs to be moved to the right. Maybe this standard deviation needs to be reduced, but some adjustment's going to have to be made here if you're going to be able to put units of product into cartons.